This morning we have an interesting news about Tesla Cybertruck. Elon Musk considers folding the rear window of the Cybertruck for extra storage. Welcome back, friends. This is Armen Harian from TorqueNews.com with you. Thank you for being here. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel if you are interested to receive frequent Cybertruck notifications and news, and join our community, please. Elon Musk said that he is considering a Twitter user's idea of making Tesla Cybertruck's rear window and body panel foldable in order to increase storage space. With the Cybertruck, Tesla aims to deliver a vehicle with functionalities comparable to Ford F-150 pickup truck and performance comparable to Porsche 911. Based on the specs announced with the prototype, Tesla has delivered on both counts. When it comes to functionality, Tesla Cybertruck has up to 14,000 pounds of towing capacity and 3,500 pounds of payload capacity, as well as 100 cubic feet of storage. Quote, with up to 3,500 pounds of payload capacity and adjustable air suspension, Cybertruck is the most powerful tool we have ever built, engineered with 100 cubic feet of exterior lockable storage, including a magic tonneau cover that is strong enough to stand on. End of the quote. People at Tesla Truck Club thought of concept to make the storage space even bigger. They tweeted saying, it would be great if the Cybertruck's rear window could roll down into the rear wall and then the whole wall fold in on top of folders' rear seats. Perfect for camping when tonneau is closed and for carrying things longer than 8 inch. They wanted to make the electric truck's rear window rollable into the rear panel and make that panel foldable in order to increase the storage space of the bed. It would help carry longer items, although Elon Musk already confirmed that Tesla Cybertruck will have a flip-stop feature on its tailgate in order to fit anything up to 4-inch by 8-inch sheet of plywood. Nonetheless, Tesla's CEO responded that the idea is worth considering. And Elon Musk just responded saying, worth considering on yesterday's tweet, which he tweeted at 9 p.m. in the evening. They also noted that it would be useful for camping since Tesla already unveiled a camper add-on system for the Cybertruck. When the back opened, you can run the HVAC system to the bed and have a toasty or cool sleeping environment. Tesla said that it plans to launch the 2 higher-end version of the Cybertruck in late 2021. Those 2 electric trucks will have between 300 to 500 miles of range and be equipped with dual and tri-motor powertrains and start at $49,000. A cheaper and lower range version of the Tesla Cybertruck that should start at just $40,000 is going to be available later. Tesla said that the electric pickup truck is going to have accessories available at launch, including the Cyberquad. That's like the motorcycle type of thing, and this camper setup. So, friends, let me know what you think about this idea of the Cybertruck having a foldable bed, considering folding the rear window for extra storage. I don't know if I'm not a truck owner, but if any one of you is a truck owner, how often do you go for camping on your truck? And would that be a good idea to have a Cybertruck's rear window could roll down into the rear wall and then the whole wall fold in on top of the folded rear seat? Do you think that would be perfect for camping, especially when the tonneau is closed and for carrying things longer than 8 inch? Let me know what you think about these ideas. I think it would be a great idea. I'm personally looking forward for Cybertruck. I think for many people, when the Cybertruck was announced and we will first see, the one thing that I can say that you couldn't be indifferent. People either liked the Cybertruck's design or they didn't like the design, because many people were so used to the current pickup truck's design and they just didn't like the Cybertruck design. But someone someone told me that it will grow on you, and on me personally it grew, and I find it very interesting, very practical, and I'm looking forward to Cybertruck's release. I think in 2021, especially I think with coming of new trucks and Nikola Badger, which I'm hoping to report news later today. In fact, I'm going to report news about Nikola looking for car makers for mass production. So look for that report coming later today, friends, after another important report coming about Cybertruck. In fact, Nikola is apparently in talks with automakers for Badger pickup truck production, says the founder. So please subscribe to our channel. This is Armen Harian from talknews.com. And let's discuss the Cybertruck's new idea on the comment section below, friends. Have a wonderful day. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report. Stay safe.